Here's one way of doing a gingivectomy guide. You can do this with the Splint or the guide module. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a wax up. And with this wax up, we want to make sure that we've got the correct ratio. So with the wax up module, we're going to take the wax up stencil, and then we need to ascertain where the margins should lie. So this is a compromise between the incisal edges, where they should be, and where the tops of them are. I can sculpt smooth these teeth to make sure that they're in line with that stencil. When that's done, we can delete this 78% ratio stencil. Then we're going to go into the annotator to draw a line. Make sure you click surface, make sure that the model has been selected, and then as you're drawing, that line will adhere to the surface of the model. So this is very important, so when we hide the teeth, we know where to make our cutting tools. Then we're going to hide the teeth, and then we're going to go to the block out module to make an offset model. This is very important so that we know our guide is going to fit. And we're going to be working on this. Now go to your Splint module or your guide module. Make sure that it's called target model, and we're going to paint on. You can use the outline to draw it, or you can use a paint on method. I'm going to set this a bit thinner, that it's 1.5 millimeters in diameter, so we're going to set that then to 3. Or you can leave it at 4, which is 2 millimeters diameter. So I'm going to toggle that little icon so we can see it flat on the surface. Then unhide the teeth and make sure that you have enough material around it, around your teeth. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go into the minus, and we're going to delete a little bit of this mesh. So we can add or we can take away. When that's done and you're sort of satisfied with this look, we're going to then apply the layer. But before we apply the layer, we're going to go into the properties menu. Make sure you click on the spanner, and where it says smooth, we're going to set the smooth to a little bit less. So maybe 5, because we don't want to lose the crispness of these edges. Then click on apply, and I'm going to set a final voxel size of 0.2. And we're going to just give it a quick smooth. Make sure the edges are nice and smooth. And then exit, voxel size 0.2, and finish. Then we're going to cut out the fitting surface. And that sort of completes it. This is just one way of doing it. So we're going to hide the teeth, and there we go.